This video will go over formatting cells. As a reminder, these are intended to be watched in full and in order, so go back and watch those that came before as needed. The video that came before this was sorting. Before we continue to explore our data, we'll just point out how you can format the cells to have the appearance that you want. I'll go over this fairly quickly, but wanted to expose you to what you can play with on your own. You have this as a final worksheet if you want to come back to it and practice on your own. Your goal is to make it look like the formatted table in the stats worksheet. For now, just watch what I did to format it. Then you can always pause the video, play around, come back, fast forward, rewind as you want to try to make it match. To make it so my title can be centered above the set of cells, I will need to merge the cell's content. So I highlight the cells I wanted to merge and I push the merge and center options. I want my text to be larger and bold so I can increase the size and bold it. Next, I don't want to see so many decimal places for my numbers, so I highlight the cells I want to format. I then right-click and select Format Cells. On this pop-up, I make sure I'm on the Number tab, and I change my option from General to Number, making sure that I only have 2 decimal options selected. Next, I want to add borders to the table so it's easier to read. Again, highlight what you want to put borders on, right-click and Format Cell, but this time I'll go to the Border option. I choose the width of the border and where I want it to show up. Around the edges is large, and then I want, within my cells, I want to have a thinner line inside the borders. So I'll repeat that process, but this time I will complete my box and then select a smaller border or a thinner border for the inside parts of the table. Now, instead of repeating the process for the top set of boxes again for the bottom, I can copy the formatting if it's exactly the same as what I want. I highlight and copy the same as I would a normal copy, but then select the Format Painter on the top. Then highlight the cells I want the format to be applied to. Next, notice that I can't see all of the information on the cells, so I want a quick resolution. I highlight the cells I want to expand, and in the top row, I put my cursor on the column line so that it makes a double-sided arrow, and I double-click it. And then voila, it all expands to what it needs to be. Like the text to columns option, there is much more that you can do. Within numbers, you can select things like currency, percentage, and date, and other tabs are changed the font, fill in the cells with colors, and so much more. So go back and on your own time and try to recreate the table that's in the Stats tab for practice. The next video you'll watch should be Unit 2 and Basic Equations, working with data to find averages.